Welcome back to new video. In today's video we will discuss branch of physics. Electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is a branch of physics that deals with interaction between electric and magnetic fields. Electromagnetism or electromagnetic force is one of the four fundamental forces in nature. It generates light and energy and hold the atoms together in matter. All matter has an electric charge which can be positive, negative or zero. Opposite charges will attract and like charges will repel each other. These forces held most of the atoms together. When atom gains charges by losing or gaining electrons, a measurable electric field will form. If those particles start to move, the field will become flowing electric current and form a magnetic field around it. Under right circumstances, interacting electric and magnetic field can continuously produce and sustain one another. This create electromagnetic field that transmit waves of electromagnetic energy, radiations into space. Permanent magnetic speakers commonly used in TVs and radios are perfect examples of electromagnetic devices. Let's see the operation of these devices, which are based on the principle of electromagnetism. In order to convert electrical waves into audible sound, the speakers are designed. A metal coil is attached to a permanent magnet, and when current passes through the coil it generates a magnetic field. The newly formed magnetic field is repelled by the permanent magnetic field, resulting in the vibrations. These vibrations are amplified by the cone-like structure, causing the sound. This is how speakers work based on electromagnetism. When a conductor is placed or moved through the magnetic field, it generates voltage, electricity. This principle is called electromagnetic induction. The voltages generated will be based on the speed of the conductor moving through the magnetic field. Faster the speed of the conductor, the greater the induced electricity or voltage. According to Faraday's law, the relative motion between the magnetic field and conductor, the flux linkage changes, and this change in flux induces a voltage across the coil. Electromagnetic waves are propagated by oscillating electric and magnetic waves at right angles to each other. They exhibit the properties of interference and diffraction. They travel at a speed of 10 raised to power 8 in a vacuum. They are transverse waves. The relationship between the wavelength and frequency of an electromagnetic wave is given as follows. A few applications of electromagnetism are: electromagnetism serves as a fundamental working principle for many of the home appliances in household applications. The maglev trains or high-speed trains work on the principle of electromagnetism. Electromagnetic radiations are used in the communication system to transfer data from the source to the receiver. In industries, starting from small instruments to large power equipment, electromagnetism is used at least at one stage of their work. That's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.